Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add attachments to an email in Gmail. Why would you want to know how to add attachments to an email in Gmail? Well, maybe it is your first time using Gmail and not sure how to add attachments to an email in Gmail. So today I am going to show you how to add attachments to an email in Gmail. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding attachments to an email in Gmail is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open Gmail app. Now you are seeing Compose at the bottom right side. Click on it. Now select a user you want to send a mail. Write the subject of your mail. In Compose email section, write the text and other details you want to send. Now click on link icon at the top. Click on attach file. Add attachments and then click on send. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add attachments to an email in Gmail, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.